Hello YouTube, welcome to another DIY tips and tricks. I've bought one of these Good Home Decor threshold bars from B&Q, but they come with pretty much zero instructions on how to fit. And as you can see, I have actually done it now, but I just wanted to kind of explain the basic premise of what you need to do. What you need is basically these plastic screws, or push fit screws should we call them. Now they fit inside, this is an offcut of the threshold bar, they fit inside here in this little track, and you can slide them up and down the track to put them in the place that you want them to be. But what you've got to do is use a 6mm drill bit and measure and place the holes where these press stud screws are going to go into. It's a 6mm drill bit, that's what I found. So I've marked the places and I drill the holes, and then I've pushed the bar in, which has worked. Now as you push them in, they will slide up and down the bar. So what I would do is just line them up with the holes as you push them in. And that's it, and that's basic. As you push them in, the 6mm holes, grip down the side of this, and then you can't pull them back out, which is why I can't actually show you this now that it's in. But that's how you do it. Hope that helps. Cheers. Bye-bye.